In this video, we will learn how to parse RSS feed in Python. We are going to use Python's module feedparser to extract the text and other fields from an RSS or Atom feed. First, I'm going to install feedparser by using pip install feedparser. I will type pip3 install feedparser. Now we have this package feedparser installed on our system. We can go back to our editor and write code. First, I will import feedparser and then I will define or set a variable URL, or I will name it RSS URL, and I will try to parse reddit.com's RSS feed. So I will pass in URL for Reddit. This will be https and then reddit.com and then .rss. This is the front page RSS feed URL for Reddit. Now I have set the URL for RSS feed. Now I'm going to call feedparser's method parse and pass in our RSS URL or feed URL, and I will name it parser and call feed parser dot parse and pass in our URL RSS underscore URL. And now I'm going to loop through all the entries in this RSS feed. So I'm just going to use for loop for entry in parser entries and now I'm going to print the title from my entry. Dot entry dot title, and next I'm going to print links from entry. The first link I want to print, and after this I'm going to print the content value and entry dot content value, and then just need to save our script and run. I will just add another line, so this one entry will be separated by this divider line, So there will be a divider after each entry, so we know this. We are just making a divider after each entry, and now I just need to execute my script feed.py by type of python 3 and then the script name and just hit enter. And here's the output, and our python script worked and it parsed title, link, and description for us. So this way you can easily parse RSS feed in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.